This is a demonstration of the Biolock Model 333 fingerprint reader lock. This is a biometric lock import to the United States that's being sold by a number of different companies. Ostensibly is secure. We did not analyze the fingerprint reader or its security or design. However, we did look at the mechanics. This fingerprint lock has a bypass cylinder. It's a dimple lock, and there's a magnetically closed cover to allow access with a key. The dimple key, in our view, is of fairly poor quality. We also were able to use a bump key to open this lock. It's not designed to withstand any real attacks. However, the fingerprint reader is a new biometric approach to credentials and does have the appearance of security. This is a very neatly designed container. The lock is packaged quite nicely. The lock can be programmed with one or more master fingers, and those master keys, so to speak, will then be used to authorize individual users. Let's go ahead and demonstrate how this lock works in normal mode, and then we'll demonstrate the insecurity engineering of this lock. The lock is woken up. The reader illuminates, blue light comes on indicating an authorized fingerprint, and the lever handle can be turned to withdraw the bolt, and then the system resets as you heard, and now the lock is in its lock state. The bypass cylinder works in the same way if for some reason the fingerprint reader doesn't work. The problem with this lock design is so elementary that frankly it defies belief. All that is needed to open this lock is a paperclip. The paperclip is inserted into the keyway, the lock is open. And we'll do a macro shot of that, but what you see frankly is what you get. This lock is absolutely insecure, should not be utilized really for any application requiring security of any sort. The lock sells for about $200 and in our view is essentially worthless with a bypass cylinder. This is a macro shot showing exactly how simple this Biolock 333 is to bypass. The keyway is exposed on the bypass cylinder. We simply, and let's first of all show that the lock right now is locked. You can turn the lever, it has no effect on the bolt. We insert the paperclip straight back in the keyway, depressing a pin that engages the latch, and you can see that the lock is open. This is an absolute perfect example of insecurity engineering.